Let's take a look at the pool decks on Anthem of the Seas. It's morning, day 3. I am by myself because Zach is sleeping again. He might be getting up soon, I don't know. It's 7:30-ish. I'm in the solarium area, and I'll probably go swimming here in a moment. Got my swimsuit on. Just having a morning coffee because I don't need any food. Probably not till lunchtime because I'm so full. But we're finally down in the warmer areas, thank goodness. And I'm getting myself some vitamin D and some caffeine. Yay! Look at this thing next to me. I'm sitting on a regular thing, but I think I need to try this thing out. Actually, it's not as comfortable as I thought it was going to be. It's kind of hard. But it's still cool. Sun's in my eyes too. Walking around the boat. Thought we would take a look at the solarium. Lots of places to lay at 8:30 in the morning. Try to keep innocent people out of the video if I can. So if I aim it at the floor or up, that's why. There's a hand washing station, and that is the Solarium Bistro. The hours are different. We haven't eaten dinner in there yet. Just breakfast and lunch. And would you guys like to see the sea? If I can get over here close to a window. They got so many chairs, you can't really get to the. So let's go see the solarium. It's actually not supposed to be open. According to the app, it doesn't open until 10 a.m., but it looks like it's open to me unless people are just sitting in here. There's the bar. If you've never been on this ship, it has, so far, my favorite solarium. It has more pools, like Symphony of the Seas. This was just all chairs mostly. It was like an oven. There's more seating over there. So the pools must be closed because there's nobody in them. It's got one of these things for handicapped people, so if you are handicapped, you'll have assistance. Go down here. It's about 8:30 in the morning, so it's a good time to come in here if you want it to not be crowded. This is a fun area. And sit in the water and be cool. And there's this swing. I played on that swing the first time we were on the boat, wearing a mermaid tail. It was fun. And there's the front of the boat, guys. You can't go there. That's the crew area only on this boat. Adventure of the Seas, you can go there though. And here's the swing. This is where I live streamed the other day. They put those out there that used to not have that. And there's the sea. Haven't seen much of the outdoor areas because it's just been too cold, and now we're finally in the Florida area, so it's not cold anymore. Yay! There's a big TV where you can watch movies, and the smokestack there, and the outdoor pool. Everyone gets to enjoy it now. We're up a deck now on the running/walking track. walking in right lane, running in left, start line. So apparently we're at the beginning. I don't know what that area is up there. I just saw a guy in it though. Interesting. What is that? Might be for fancy people. Maybe that's Coastal Kitchen. I don't know. Just figure it out. It's the Sportsplex. It's the upper levels. And those are the weird little pod areas with games and stuff. Okay, we got it. There's a lot of fun things to see if you walk around on the outside decks, including this band thing. Back of the boat. Definitely don't drop your phone here. Here's the Flow Rider and the iFly. It hasn't started yet. The iFly and Ripcord area. It's crowded. We got the rock wall and the giraffe. These areas have been shut off. Finally open again. Even though this is a December cruise out of the Northeast, once you get far enough, all the pools and all the fun stuff open, so you don't have to worry about that if you're wondering. Everybody's here for the belly flop. I don't see any contestants or anything.
International
Here comes the wave.
Competition. Are you ready? Or are you watching the game?
That's pretty cool.
We're watching the game? Who's going for Spain? So we're going to have them go onto the opposite side of the ladder because they score out of 5. Now, if you put your hand up like this, do it. Just do it. Thank you. Okay, that is a 0. That's a big fat 0. Everybody's going to help me count down. Everybody, this is Chuck. In 3, 2, 1, flop! Bye. In 3, 2, 1, flop! Face flop! Oh, but in 3, 2, 1, flop!
Looks like we're almost to Florida. I can see the Kennedy Space Center. Too bad we can't go. Hopefully we can see the rocket launch. Hopefully. Over there by the buoy.
There it is.
I might have got it. There's dolphins. We're at the bistro again. I've ate most of it, but had Caesar salad, bolognese, and some curry. Seems like they keep most of the same stuff each day and just add 1 or 2 different things. Cookie got chicken again.
It's a roast chicken today, not fried chicken.
Roast, not fried. I chose raspberry cheesecake and the chocolate cake. Cookie got the chocolate cake and some fruit, which is not like him at all. This drink is dessert. This is a different version of the Toblerone. Let's try it. I hope you enjoyed that look at Anthem. More videos are coming, and also some spooky videos are coming soon. We did some more ghost hunts, so that'll be coming as well. And a spooky video about Anthem as well, because boy, she's haunted.